this is lesson 6, we're nearly halfway through. So far we've looked at time signatures of 2-4, 3-4 and 4-4. We've also looked at triplets, at syncopation, strummed our way through a couple of songs, started to do chord melodies, and for this lesson I'm just going to give you a very important set of exercises for daily practice really, and I would use them at the beginning of a practice routine, maybe spend 5 minutes in total, so a minute or 2 on each exercise. I've got myself a timer, or rather my mobile phone, which I'm using right now as a camera, and I've set a timer on that. I've set it for 15 minutes. I've downloaded a Gym Boss app and used that for like almost interval training, sort of 3 5-minute slots. So I do my warm-up exercises for 5 minutes, then I do a piece for 5 minutes, and then I do something else for 5 minutes, and that keeps me on target and keeps me rushing through it when I only know I've got 15 minutes and then it's going to be over. So I can't recommend that highly enough. Get yourself a timer and limit yourself. We're now going to do the daily practice routine. I'm using the tenor ukulele for this because it's the largest I have, and so hopefully you can see a bit better what's going on. So the first exercise I'm just going to use thumb strokes for because we're working on the left hand. We're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, leaving the fingers on. We've done this exercise before. Then 4, 3, 2, 1, not taking the fingers too far off the fretboard but keeping them close and keeping relaxed. And then independent motion, 1, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. And we can practice this on other strings. We can practice it further up the neck, moving down. Exercise 2 for the right hand. So we start with I am, alternating fingers on every string. And then play 3 I am I. And then M's next, so on the next string down. Then I. Then M. Okay, exercise 3 is a simple picking pattern. 1 and 2 and thumb, index, thumb, middle, thumb on the third, index on the second, thumb on the fourth, middle on the first, and just repeat that. 1 and 2 and same 3 and 4 and we can play chords with that. And finally, exercise 4, looking forward to when we start working in book 2 with bar chords. We're going to use the fingers to bar 2 strings, so we're going to be able to play 2 notes. And we're going to use a classical piece, Greg's Hall of the Mountain King, for this. He goes like this. This last bit we're covering 3 strings with the 3rd finger. And also this is known as a layover, so we might, in blues, it's laying over the finger. You might play this note and then just lay it over to play the next note. And also when you're fingering some chords, we use this rather than play D minor like this. I would just lay over like this, with the second finger covering the fourth and the third strings, but still allowing the first finger to ring out on the second string.